Hey, it's Steve Zonardo here with Trevisa Realty. We're still in Timber Creek in South Fort Myers. These are the 10 townhouse units. This is the Ava model. It's 1,871 square feet, 3-bedroom, 3-bath. Come have a look. This is a great model if someone's starting out or if you're going to use it as a secondary home or a vacation home. This is a great way to start. Come have a look. If you guys like any real estate here in Southwest Florida, please give us a call. We're obviously stationed out here. We're dealing with Cape all the way to Naples. So if you have any questions with real estate, reach out 647-962-4372. Have a great day. Ciao.